Guys, good morning. How you all doing? So regarding the template, please don't rush in using it. You need to understand the concept. Okay, you need to understand the concept of what the template is all about. If you take note, there are different dimensions. Are you getting it? There are different patterns, and everything is replicable. You can replicate everything. So the fact that they are bright and are like this, you can actually put your own color that you like, so it doesn't look exactly. That was the reason why I said I'm going to be adding extra 5 template to it, and extra 5 every week. So the reason why I want to do it is because I don't want a situation whereby we'll be having one template different pen name in Amazon. Are you getting it? So we should just be having vast template with different pen name. Now you self go tire of choice. Are you getting it? So whenever you want to work on the template, mind you, I just use random country pictures. The template should your travel guide should contain the country picture that you want to work on. You get the country picture that you want to work on. I just use random picture. You see this background here, this background here, you can use another picture to replace this entire background. This particular place is a template. This particular place is a template. This is a template. Here is a template. Here is a template. Here is a template. Here is a template that you can replicate. You understand? When you want to work on any template regarding where the name is, where your travel guide name is supposed to be, please let it be on a visible place where your name will be showing very well. Okay, so you look for pictures, search for your country picture where the background, there's a lot of space here, like there's a lot of plain and space here where you can just like a lot of plain space in this particular place that I highlighted, where you can just, you know what, you can impute your name and it will show visibly. You get? All right, so that's for this, just like the way it is here. Okay, so for this one, it's just for you to, if you want to change the color, you can change the color. You get? You want to change the color, you can change the color. This can be changed. You can change this one's color. This can be replaced. This can be replaced. This can be replaced. Every template is replaceable. All the templates is replaceable. All is replaceable. Okay, I like the fact that 2 people are making use of it now. Okay, I like the fact all can be replaceable. In terms of template like this, where you see that it does not have back cover, it is very simple. Are you getting it? What you do is just to duplicate. You see that I duplicated the template because I don't want a situation whereby we accidentally go and delete any template. So in this aspect, what you just need to do, you delete this one. You delete or you duplicate. If you want to do your back cover, okay, you delete everything that is being put here. Delete you can leave this one, you just come, okay, because you want everything to be positioned in the right direction. If you look now, the front and back cover are in the same line. Are you getting it? You can decide to shift it upward, then what you do is that you extend your shadow, extend everything that is here, extend it, okay, extend it. If you want to put your travel guide name here, you put it, you remove it. What you now need to do is just to come and impute your book description. That's what you just do here. You put your book description. So if it's showing there, you put, but when you get to this aspect here, please use a white font for there. Then here, you use a blue font. Or everything that you want to impute, just put your book description here. So that's for it. See, the same thing goes to this one. You understand? The same thing goes to this one. This one you can just, okay, let me just use a plain background. You can either use a white background or a blue background. This one you can just use a white background or a blue background. Okay, as for this, the same method I did in that first one for back cover, you can do it because the pictures are not that downward, the pictures are upward. Okay, please don't go and accidentally cut it out. This one, what you need to do is very simple. You duplicate. Are you hearing me? When you duplicate, just delete. After you have replaced your background, you are not to use this background because you don't know he's using this particular background, you delete. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? You delete everything, then delete everything, then click on it and go and transparent. You transparent it. Yeah, when you transparent it, you can put your back description here. Are you getting it? You can put your back description in the font color that you want to use, and it's going to come out very well. Please let's make no mistake. Okay, the same thing goes to this one. In this one, you just have to duplicate and delete everything and write your book description where the Dubai Travelers Guide is. Please, your book description should just be brief. This place is replicable. This place is replicable by changing the color. You can change the color. Are you seeing it? Why here? This is the background color. This place, yeah, this is the background color. This one, just pick your country, change. Pick your country, change. You can put a city name of the country. You can go and search for it. You can tell ChatGPT to give you 3 city name of like now 3 city name of Tokyo. So it's going to give you the city name. So it is the city name you are going to use to search for the picture. Are you getting it? So that's it. So by God's grace, we're going to be adding more designs, okay? Because even me, I'm going to be using from it. So we're going to be adding more designs so that we have variety of choice to choose from. So in terms of the travel itinerary, okay, we have 6-day itinerary here. You can come and decide to change your color. You can change the color just like the color you did in your book. If it's blue color you are using to format your book, you can change the color. You can remove this palm tree here and impute another thing. You can change the font, everything, you can change it. The same thing goes to here, the same thing goes to here, the same thing goes to here. You can change your color, you can make yours visible. The reason why I just like left it in white background, it is easy for us to just like download and impute on our white background page. It will not be like it was the formatting and everything was done in Google Docs or in Microsoft Word that you are using. Do you understand? As time goes on, we are going to do formatting on the travel guide. Just a simple formatting on the travel guide, so you see exactly how to go about. So if you are working on a 3-day itinerary or 7-day itinerary you have to explain it. You have to explain how they are going to use this. You have to explain it, okay? And there's actually an explanation template in my Google Docs, which I'm going to explain after this video. So regarding the book cover, to make things very easy for you, I had to bring out a write-up on book cover design principles. You understand, where I explain how to go about each of the design, okay? How to go about how to design. When you go through it, it will be very easy for you to come up with ideas. Are you getting it? So you are going to go through this particular write-up, go through it, assimilate it very well, and when designing, work on it. Before I'll start posting videos on how to design your own cover without using the template, go through this one so that you so that you'll be able to assimilate what I'm trying to say in this place, and from the template you'll be getting ideas on how to even design your own. You understand? And if you have not watched the travel guide video that I posted, go and watch it. The formatting video on travel guide, go and watch it. The book cover on travel guide, go and watch it before more video will start coming. Watch them.